Welcome to Juicy News. We bring you latest and hot news all time. If this is your first time here, please subscribe to the channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and bell the notification icon. Please don't forget to share the video for others also to watch. This is Mzbel, a musician. This lady has sent a strong word to an unknown Mr. President, threatening to reveal a secret. Without wasting much time, let's get into the story. Musician Mzbel has asked one Mr. President to stop punishing her because of the Páy My issue. According to her, the supposed Mr. President owes her and has decided to punish her with the issues she had with Tracy during the 2020 elections. To her, there is the need for the supposed Mr. President to come to settle her, else it will get ugly if she decides to come for him. Mzbel has posted this on all her social media handles, indicating that it's been 6 years and she's fed up. Mr. President, I've been humbled, considerate, quiet and patient enough, so stop using this Páy My issue as an excuse to punish me. When I have to chase people for what they owe me, it gets ugly. Be a man of your word. It's been almost 6 years already. As of now, Juicy News cannot tell what the particular Mr. President owes Mzbel, but it could be remembered that Mzbel and Tracy clashed on social media over Páy My. The clash was murky, that some secrets about their relationship with the Páy My were leaked by certain individuals. The trend became worrying, such that the former President John Mahama was dragged into it, affected his re-election in 2020.
Nyumtini Mzbel, I be 16 years. I gotta be like this, so I'm a chair Mzbel, our boss, and you way. Ono no dia babe to just Mr. President bi enini di asem bia enye ne dekra ompe na otwema sa Mr. President ye ka say die enche da eni Mr. President ko na so otwema Mr. President wa hye da afa papa no ne nsem bia na nsente me beto dwa omanfo e kan wiye pa na otwema wa fam sa papa no asemi so edi pra no ye ankasa otwema Mr. President wenya abotra ama ododo chese wo beye ne obabia ebeye so kwakoye se ugusua pra no to obo kokko o Mr. President krono says one funny sika amana asem ebesi no enye asem ketwa na sa omanfo ebeka ya na nsentemu ebeto dwa ono eye Mzbel e na fe ye Tracy Boache ene antokwe ebe na enye asem ketwa esanso mutwem apeni bi owo Ghana hanom ayo muse ne fan ko ene ye deja yie pa na no ya da sorry a enya ne ntiye anampo aba beto dwa se ade a Mzbel ede eye kokobo akwakoma Mr. President ko ne se onjina yie pa esansa asema eba no enya asem ketwa.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.